Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to make the most out of group boards. Let's get started. Group boards are similar to regular boards where different members of the group can contribute to save relevant pins inside the group board. There are boards that only allow Pinterest users to follow and share their group board. There are also boards that will allow people to join and contribute to their group board. You can identify a group board from a regular board when you see a small icon with photos of people inside, as you can see in this section. On the top section is the group board name, and when you click on these icons of profiles, you will see the group members here. You can browse the members in this group and check out their profiles. You can see the number of members in this section, and you can also see the number of followers of this group board. This shows the owner of this group board. Like a normal board, you can see the description of a board in this section. You must also apply the same optimization tips that you have learned from optimizing a regular Pinterest board. You can see that this group board has multiple Pinterest sections here. You'll be able to see the number of pins saved inside the Pinterest sections, the number of followers, and the group contributors. Group boards can increase your followers. If there are a lot of contributors and followers and you get accepted to be part of it, then start contributing pins, there will be a lot of people who will discover your pins. They can follow you and save their pins on their boards. Also, these people can be redirected to your website, giving you more traffic to your blog, article, or e-commerce website. Group boards also boost engagement. Group boards have similar-minded people of the same niche, and that is if their intention is not to share pins with spam links. Being part of a quality board group will have people who appreciate the content that everyone creates and shares, and this generates more comments on their pins and engagement. Now let me show you how to create a group board. Go to the plus icon and select Create Board. Input the name of your board, then click on the Create button. Next, pick a pin to save. Next, edit your board to add a description and the rules of your board. Then add a topic of your group and start adding contributors here. You can search and join groups. Some group boards have the Join button feature available where they can receive requests from people who want to be a part of the group board. You can see here that there are only one group member and a creator. Remember to join groups that are relevant to your niche, and make sure to follow the rules of the boards so you can stay inside the group and get your brand to be known. Choose the groups that have a lesser number of contributors. These groups will contain more quality pins with legit pin links. Once you're part of a group, share your pins that you have created. Build a strong relationship with the creator of the board. You can follow the creator, comment, and engage on their pins. The pins that you share must be relevant to the group and it should conform to the rules of the board. You might have trouble finding and discovering group boards on Pinterest. If you search for keywords relevant to a group board that you want to discover on Pinterest, you might be limited to finding a few group boards. But there's a website where you can find group boards on Pinterest. Just go to pingroupie.com and you can use its search engine to find any niche-related Pinterest group boards. As you type in a keyword, you will see tons of group boards that are on Pinterest related to that keyword. Just click a group board name, then a pop-up window will appear, click on the button, and you'll be redirected to the group board on Pinterest. Using pingroupie.com will make it easier to find niche-related group boards on Pinterest. Remember that Pinterest is also looking at the boards that you are a part of. You have to make sure that the group boards that you'll join will have a few contributors so that the pins shared and pinned in the group are controlled and prevent spammers from sabotaging the quality of the group board. Now that you know how to make the most out of group boards, we can now proceed to the next chapter, Pinterest Marketing Basics. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.